If you're like me, you like writing automation code in VS Code, and some of you may still be using the PowerShell ISE. And when that automation code touches Azure, what's really frustrating is when you start getting some weird authentication issues. Now, in this episode, I'm going to share with you one of the really troublesome ones that I had, and I'm going to show you how to solve it. One of the things I use PowerShell for is when I need to deploy labs up in Azure. Now, I use these labs when I may be going to be speaking at a PowerShell conference and I'm teaching a workshop, and I need all the participants to have essentially identical computers. Or I also sometimes do contracted courses for the military. And well, let's just say I know how to get through the firewalls on their training system so they can touch Azure. So the problem is when I need to rely on that code and all of a sudden you get a bunch of weird errors. Now let me show you the error that we're talking about. When I utilize the connect AZ account commandlet, I got a method get-SerializationSettings and type Microsoft Azure Management, Internal Resources, Resource Management Client from assembly and all that other stuff. And my mind was just blown. So what I did is I uninstalled out my Azure modules and I reinstalled them back in, and I just could not fix this. I ran clear AZ content to totally clear up my cookies, did a connect AZ account, and still had this issue. So very frustrating, but let me show you how I fixed it. So first of all, in both Windows PowerShell and PowerShell, I had to uninstall these two PowerShell modules. Now, while doing my research and reading a lot of support cases from Microsoft, they mentioned there's a compatibility issue, but they didn't really clarify on that one. But I was able to find the version of these modules that you need to install. Then they also recommend installing these on PowerShell 7. So I haven't fully tested them on PowerShell 5. So feel free to give it a try and let me know in the comments if it worked out for you. For the AZ accounts module, install version 2.12.1. And for the AZ Resources module, install version 6.6.0. Next, make sure you run the clear AZ context command. Close out of PowerShell, bring it back up, and then run connect AZ account, and that solved my problem. When problems like this pop up, it is very frustrating, so I hope that my research into this helps all of you out. If it did, make sure you give a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.